Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, this is our single topic wise video, and in this we are talking about Genesis EIR Cohort 3.0. What is this? This is Entrepreneur in Residence Cohort 3.0. This was done through MEITY Startup Hub on 24th of August. See, the aim of this particular cohort is what? It is to grow the startups, to support startups, to help them grow, to provide them with mentorship, to provide them with further marketing, right? Their support in the finance, right? So all these things will be taken into consideration here, right? So MEITY, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, through MEITY Startup Hub has launched the third edition. You can see Cohort 3.0. So this is the third edition of this cohort of the Gen Next Support for Innovative Startups. This is the full form of Genesis. So you need to have the full form, important, correct? That is for Genesis Entrepreneur in Residence Program, a national initiative designed to support aspiring entrepreneurs, innovators, researchers, students and early stage startup founders in transforming technology driven ideas into viable ventures. This initiative was formally launched at the GENESIS NextGen Startup Summit. This was the Coimbatore edition that was held in Coimbatore is in Tamil Nadu, held at the Rathinam Global University in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, right? Very important, students, right? Now, if we discuss further about it, here various principles were followed. The program will target deep tech, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, semiconductors, cyber security, blockchain, and eligible ideas, they must fall within the technology readiness here, right? And then those ideas will also be further funded so that they can grow into a big startup, correct? Under this, a grant of 10 lakh rupees will also be provided for incubators, right? That means for any individual who is incubating a startup, that startup will further get a fund of 10 lakh rupees that will help them in the finances of their startup. So it will be a game changer, students, and you will be seeing that these sectors will be flourishing and the startups in these sectors will be flourishing. So for more such videos, students, do watch our videos daily for this single topic wise.